Today I'm in southwest London. Not too far from the Greenwich area is Eltham Palace. Now, this was the location of a royal residence that is no longer here. The building that you're looking at now was built in the 1930s, except for one portion of it, which is the only remaining original piece built in the 1470s, and that's the Great Hall. But this location was the area where a young Henry VIII, then known as Prince Henry, would have grown up and spent some of his time. Now this is the outer portion of the building, and you're looking at the outer part of the Great Hall here. And I guess I was a little bit disappointed when I got here, thinking it was going to be more of the original structure than what remains. And while it is nice and worth seeing if you're into 1930s Art Deco styling and how this would have looked back then by all means come out and see it. But if you're looking for something with a little bit earlier history than 1930, this probably isn't the spot. Now I'll show you the outside first, and then I'll give you a brief tour of the inside. And there's not a whole lot I can say about that, so rather than talk through it, I'll just put some music on when I get this video home. All right. You're looking at the outer portion. I want to show you one notable piece that's outside that is original. Some of the original wall that was here from the 1300s still remains, and there's signs that notate where some of those are. But you can see some of that along here. The grounds are phenomenal. It's really a nice area to come out and just even if you never even go in the house, it's the grounds are very nice. This place is an English heritage site. So if you happen to have one of the English heritage passes, this is one of the spots you can get into admission free. And on that note, cue the music.